Hello, my name is Tom. I'm doing my third year internship at Inholland Composites. My research assignment consists of doing an automatic repair for damaged composite plates. The goal is to repair surface damages that could eventually affect the efficiency of wind turbine blades. The goal is to restore the aerodynamic properties of the blade so that there is no loss of efficiency and therefore money. It will also be a much safer repair than using people in cables. To execute this type of repair, I have chosen for a cosmetic repair type. I was looking into ways to apply the necessary filler you need for this. After some research in ways of high viscosity pumps, I started developing a custom injection tool. Because of some shrinkage, you do need to apply the filler excessively, so that after the curing time it does shrink a little bit, and then there is a little bit excessive material that does need to be sanded away, but it also creates the smooth finish that we were looking for at the end. Well, my research was to do a feasibility study to cosmetic repair. The method that I have chosen and after developed, I have determined that it is certainly possible to execute this type of repair. However, for the future, my recommendation would be to do further research into different types of damages that can be repaired this way. Also, I have now chosen for a polyester filler that has a 20-minute curing time, and further, right now seems to do all the work that it should. It has good properties, but in the real-life environment we might find that it is not ideal for the purpose. So further research might be needed into the different types of available cosmetic fillers.